Welcome to Jaime's Family Favorites. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make homemade gelato. To our saucepan, we are going to add 2 cups of milk. And we're going to heat this up to 175 degrees. I'll just stick this over here. And while that is heating up, we're going to mix the other half of our mixture. First, we're going to take 5 egg yolks, and to that we are going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. We're going to add 1/4 of a cup of dextrose sugar and 1/4 cup of powdered milk. Now the reason that we're going to add the dextrose sugar and the powdered milk is to help eliminate the ice crystals during the freezing process. And now we're just going to mix this until it turns into a light, creamy, lemony yellow, fluffy mix. That's about what we're looking for. So as soon as our milk comes up to temperature, I will show you the next step. We'll be right back. Now that our milk is heated and our eggs mixed, we are going to temper our eggs. And to do this, we're going to slowly and gradually add a little bit of our heated milk to the egg mixture. This will allow our eggs to gradually heat up and not turn them into scrambled eggs. That's done. We are going to pour this back into our pan and reheat it until, reheat is the right word, until we get back up to a temperature of 170 degrees. And we're going to stir constantly. Be right back. Our gelato base has now been reheated up to 170 degrees, and now it's time to add our flavoring. You can make this about any flavor that you want. Today I'm going to be doing strawberry, and I'm going to use this amaretti. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that, but I'm going to use this amaretti wild strawberry flavoring for our gelato today. And I'm going to put a heavy tablespoon into our mixture. Now we'll give this a mix. And now we'll drain our gelato through a fine mesh strainer and into a bowl. Just in case there were any chunks or anything in our mix. All right. Now we're going to cover this up and put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then tomorrow we'll put it in the ice cream freezer and I'll show you what we get. Our gelato base has been chilling in the refrigerator overnight. I had made 2 different flavors. I made a lemon and a strawberry, and now I'm going to freeze these. I keep my ice cream freezers in the freezer so that they're available at a moment's notice. This one is a KitchenAid brand, and this one is a Cuisinart. I think they both work great. So let's go ahead and add the bases to our freezers. So first I'm going to add our base straight into our ice cream freezer. And I'll line that up. As soon as we turn it on, it'll be ready to go. And now I'm going to add the strawberry to this freezer. And we'll get the cover on it. And now we'll turn these on and let the freezing process go. Okay, now that we're done with the churning, we're going to put these in a container and then stick them in the freezer. Oh, that's amazing. Scoop that into our container to put it in the freezer. Now we're going to put our strawberry . Does not look amazing. Okay, now we're going to put these in the freezer overnight until they're hardened and they should be ready to eat tomorrow. For more delicious recipes, check out our website at HighnessFamilyFavorites.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss another recipe.